Hi friends, this is solar water heater with the use of plastic bottles. This is the collector of solar water heater. It is mainly consist of four parts. First is the acrylic glass. This is acrylic glass and its thermal conductivity is high. The second part is plastic bottles. The third part is Paxel pipe and the fourth is back reflector as usual as conventional solar water heater. This is the inlet port. Via this the water is in and this is the outlet port. Via this the water is come out from the heater. Uh, this is stand of collector. By the use of this stand we can adjust the angle of this collector.
Hi friends, this is the Pexelpex pipe which is used in our mud. Basically, the Pexelpex pipe is the consist of the 5 layer. This blue layer is a polyethylene layer, this silver layer is the aluminum layer, and this white layer is also consist of the 3 layer polyethylene layer, aluminum layer, and polyethylene layer. This Pexelpex pipe is the very rare. Is the manufactured by the some standard companies in Gujarat like the Akira and Tectocrat. Also, the main characteristic of the Pexelpex pipe is it is the high thermal conductivity with compared with the another copper pipes and the high heat absorb capacity. Basically, in costly different the copper pipe is the 400 to 500 per kg, and but the Pexelpex pipe is the 300 to 350 per meter, and the Pexelpex pipe is the very flexible. It is also the band at the 5 inches diameter, 5 inches diameter, and the Pexelpex pipe used in our model is the 0.5 inches.
Let us we understand the working of this model. Okay, here this is the inlet port through which the water is inserted through this model, and here it is the outlet port through which we get hot water. uh, the water inserted through this port is heated in this model. uh, it consists of plastic bottles and acrylic glass. Here the water is heated by solar radiation and the greenhouse effect of the plastic bottle, because the plastic has the main characteristics of the greenhouse effect. Here the water comes out this pot via density difference, because this portion of this model contains the cold water and this portion contains the hot water, and we know that the density of the hot water is less than the cold water, so that hot water comes to the upper part of the model, and we get the hot water. The performance of our project. Now the initial temperature of the water tank is, you can show our initial temperature of water tank is 31 Celsius. Then the water is circulated through this our circuit, and after the 50 minutes the temperature of water how we can show.
I think 20 minutes is pass out, so we can check the outlet temperature. So let's we check it. As you saw, the hot water is coming. This is thermometer which is used to check the temperature. You can see we get the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, and you know initial temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and now we get the 50 degrees Celsius, so the difference is 20 degrees Celsius. So we get 20 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes.